So good day guys, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be running the analysis, but before we do that we need to come to analyze. Here you can see this point here and we have check model. So choose check model and put the tolerance for checks. So put it and change it to 25 millimeter. Now the reason why I'm saying you should use it as 25 millimeter is because on 25 one is a bigger value. It gives a tolerance. Like for example, when you get to site you can still have your beam within less than 25 millimeter, you won't have any problem. But if you have a tolerance more than 25 millimeter, then you'll be having problems. So check everything on, select it and click OK. So once you run the analysis, the error, it will tell you there's any error in the modeling. Okay, so for now, model has been checked and no warning errors generated. So some of the errors, typical error we can have, which we are going to be working on, is something like this. Let's have a typical slab, or let me create a new model. Let me save this and create a new model to explain some of the typical errors and warning on how to correct them. Okay, so create a new model. So just choose the shape and everything we've set initially. So just let me pick this. Okay, so for example it will pop up. So before it pops up, let me close this. Okay, so for example we have some default columns which has been done here. Okay, so let me use concrete column. So let me place it on this one. Then let me do concrete beam. I'll select this and choose the concrete beam you want. Same with seal, it gives you the same warning. So just highlight the structure. Now we have this. So what we want to do is, because the node, everything shares one node. Now let's assume we have another beam along this side. Maybe the beam is somewhere here, something like this. Let's just see an example. So we have this beam here. Now once we run that check analysis, let's see what it will give us. So analyze check model. So change this to 25, because if I use it as 1 it will not notice it. It won't notice it. So look at it. So no warning has been done. But once I change it, analyze check model, sorry, I didn't check it initially, so let me check it with this. So let's see what to give us. So nothing, but see what will happen. And once I analyze it, analyze change model, so change it to 25. Let's see the effect, because I think it was about 75. From here to here was about 75. So you might not really see it because, but let's see the effect. Okay, so what we need to do now is let me place a node. So when two nodes are together, it will tell you. But I'll do a special video for this. I will do a special video for how to clear different errors. But now the aim of this is just to check your analysis and we'll run the analysis. So if you have any video, you can, any question, you can drop it in the comment section. The next video will be seeing more into two of the analysis. Okay, thank you very much.